Good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon, sir.
Today we are doing the activity of fraction of percentage.
Okay, sir.
Harsha, what is the percentage of 1 by 100?
1%.
Very good. Srija, what is the percentage of 1 by 50?
2%.
Very good. Nishita, what is the percentage of 1 by 40?
2 into 1 by 2%.
Very good. Ananya, what is the percentage of 1 by 25?
4%.
Very good. Nishant, what is the percentage of 1 by 20?
5%.
Very good. Sanistej, what is the percentage of 1 by 16?
6 into 1 by 4.
Very good. What is the percentage of 1 by 10?
10%.
Very good. Karthik, what is the percentage of 1 by 8?
7 into 1 by 2%.
Very good.